Steam, in inverted commas, road roller for sale. Oh my God, look at it. 1950s vintage. Look at it. Absolutely amazing. Family here, there's 2 tin sheds here and they took them down. And in one was this thing. And the other one was that thing. Holy shit, look at that. The number plate must be worth a bob or two. Oh God. Look at the hood on it. The fella here. Well, his father used to do contract. Oh my God, look at that. What the hell does that screw do? Wow, that's an old generator, isn't it? He's got another one at the top. Grandson was clearing all this yesterday, and Christ, look, he's taking down all the tin shed, and these 2 things was inside it, and look at that, he's got another one up there. Oh, they're both still alive. The fella's still alive, he's well into his 80s now. Oh, he kept on working till well into his 70s, but look at that thing. That's from fucking early 1950s, isn't it? Look at it. Road roller. Tarmac road roller. Bloody hell, he's got a old-fashioned hood and everything. And I talked to him yesterday, and he said, it's going for scrap. I said, going for scrap? You've gotta be kidding me. There's some people in this country who'll be falling over themselves to get that. What the hell does that screw do? I don't know. God knows. Do you know? My God. And look at that Jenny there. And all the bits and pieces and... Bloody hell. Right, anyway. That's my effort to try and scrap. I have got no idea. Look, it's got even a power output at the back. What do you call it? Like Land Rovers have. Power... something or other. But I can put a shaft out the back and out the back. You can see it. Out the back. And power something else. Power output something. Oh my God. Amazing, man. Totally amazing. So obviously they're having a good clear out here. There was 2 tin sheds here, 2 of them, and all this was inside them. Oh, and my friend over there, Bargo, will be absolutely amazed seeing that when he's walking by. He owns the garage over there. Well, he rents out the garage, but he's got, as I said before, he's got a bit over there. And he lives there. And I definitely know when you'd be amazed. He thought it was bullshitting him about what was in there. But there we are. I know the family. I was in school with one of the sons. Oh, I know the family well, really. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Their daughter was... damn. My God. Yeah. Caroline. Yeah, things... well, not as bad as my family, but things went all over the place with that family. Anyway, I'm gossiping too much now. I shouldn't be doing that. Here I am. Cross lines again. cross ley lines, better known as crossers. Oh, fuck me. Yeah, oops. I was going to stand in the middle and look around, but the car come in, so I better shift. Oh, this is another story. Old George's garage. They built that. They built that just after the Second World War as a showroom and upstairs offices. But then the coal mines around here started closing down in the late 1950s, early 1960s. And they went, oh fuck, bad investment. The money started disappearing in the area. They were hoping all the coal miners would be still going and stand by cars, but well, they did a bit. But then all the coal mines started closing down. And they were left with this. No, a lot of money left the area because, never mind. Right then, 6.5 minutes going on towards them. Oh, have a taste of Cantonese. Of my local pharmacy, which I use. And anyone with some dogs grooming? Oh yeah, I'm going out. All the best out.